Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Virtual CISO, a podcast that breaks down cybersecurity into something practical and real. I am your host, Olivia, and you are listening to Season 1, Securely Speaking. Today, we're diving into secure development and why it is time we shift security left, integrating it early in development lifecycle and not tackling it at the very end. Let's get into how to build security by design, not by accident. So, why does secure development matter? We live in a world of rapid releases and agile sprints. Code moves fast, but attackers move faster. Here's the truth. It's cheaper, faster, and more effective to fix security issues during development than after deployment. Yet, many teams still treat security as an afterthought. That's where vulnerabilities like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, insecure APIs creep in. Software is the backbone of modern business, and insecure code is a ticking time bomb. Let me say that again. Software is the backbone of modern business, and insecure code is a ticking time bomb. At the beginning of this episode, you heard me say, shift left. Let me explain what that means. Shifting left means moving security checks earlier in the software development lifecycle. Security should be considered from the initial phase, during your planning and design phase, as well as during coding and testing phase. Why? Because early detection equals fewer bugs, faster remediation, and lower cost. Secure development isn't just about writing secure code. It's about building a culture of security awareness among developers, testers, as well as product owners. Key practices to keep in mind include threat modeling early in the design phase. Also, secure code reviews alongside functional reviews. Also, you want to embed security champions in dev teams. Let's get tactical and talk about secure coding practices. Good secure development starts with secure coding standards. Ensure you follow the OWASP Top 10, which is your guide as a developer to common vulnerabilities. Also, you want to validate input and output rigorously. Then, you want to use parameterized queries to prevent SQL injection. And you want to sanitize user input to avoid cross-site scripting. Of course, tools have made things easier. You have the SAST, which is the Static Application Security Testing, which is used to analyze code before it runs. You also have the DAST, which is Dynamic Application Security Testing, which is used for testing applications during runtime. And you have the Software Composition Analysis, SCA, which you use to identify vulnerable third-party libraries. And let's not forget about the CI/CD pipeline integration. Ensure that you automate security tests so they run with every build. Let's talk about the DevSecOps culture for a minute. Secure development thrives in a DevSecOps culture where security is integrated into DevOps. What does that mean? It means developers are empowered to write secure code. Also, security teams are collaborative, not gatekeepers. Then everyone owns security from code to cloud. DevSecOps culture will ensure that training is offered for developers. You run security sprints, celebrate bug bounties, and create safe space to report vulnerabilities. When developers understand the why behind security, they write better and there will be safer coding. Here is the key takeaway from this episode. Security isn't just an IT function, it's a development priority. By shifting security left, you reduce risk, improve product quality, and avoid costly rework. Build security in from the start and your future self will thank you. On that note, thank you for tuning in into the Virtual CISO. If this episode sparked ideas for your dev team, share with your peers and consider starting your own secure coding initiatives. On the next episode, we will be discussing data security, aka protecting your crown jewels. Until then, stay secure, stay smart. I am your host, Olivia.